Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project The Riviere by Raheja Universal located in Worli. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, behind which is also the actual land parcel where the construction has already begun. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, internal and external amenities, master plan, floor plan, carpet area analysis, parking, possession, maintenance, pros and cons and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now I will take you and show you the sales office of this project. And this is the sales office of the project. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 5.5 acres, and as you can see in the model, it will have 2 towers of 2 basement plus ground plus 3 podium plus 73 residential floors having 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options and duplex options are available. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at 45 Shankar Rao Narampat, from where Aqualine metro station is only at a distance of 1 kilometer, Lower Parel railway station is only at a distance of 1.1 kilometers, Sea-Link is only at a distance of 2 kilometers, and you have Coastal Road only at a distance of 2 kilometers from the project. And now, talking about the amenities and internal amenities, you will be getting marble flooring, quartz platform and sink, branded fittings and many more amenities. Talking about the external amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with health club and spa, jogging track, rock climbing, Wi-Fi zone, multi-purpose court, Zen garden, senior citizen area, meditation zone, cricket pitch, skating rink, pet zone, open air sit out and many more amenities within the project. Talking about the parking part, this project has basement and podium level car parking facilities. And now let's talk about the master plan and the floor plan analysis. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of the Riviera, where you can see these are the 2 towers with 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1599 to 2486 square feet and 5 BHK in the carpet area of 2077 to 3687 square feet. Let's now have a look at the floor plan. As you can see in the image, this is the typical floor plan of the tower that will have 4 flats, 6 lifts and 2 staircases on each floor. And now let's have a look at some of the unit plans. As you can see in the image, this is the unit plan of 4 BHK with 1599 square feet. This is the unit plan of 4 BHK with 2486 square feet, and this is the unit plan of 5 BHK of 2077 square feet, and this is the unit plan of 5 BHK of 3687 square feet. And now, talking about the maintenance part, the maintenance varies with configuration, which will be explained by the sales team when you will come for the site visit. Talking about the possession, the RERA possession date is for December 2029. Also, the target possession is also of December 2029. And now, talking about the pros and cons of the project, for that you can visit our website www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project The Riviere by Raheja Universal located in Worli.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.